Hello and welcome to TelecomTV. I'm Martin Warwick and I'm talking with Sanjay Bhatia, Vice President at Genband. Sanjay, good to see you again.
Good seeing you, Martin.
I want to ask you a few questions about partnerships with NFV, if I might. Genband has been an HPE OpenNFV partner for 3 years now. Why is it's so important for you to be part of ecosystems such as OpenNFV and network builders?
Yeah, thanks, Martin. Genband has been a technology partner within HPE's OpenNFV ecosystem, and what we do is we collaborate on technologies for rolling out NFV services for our service provider customers. And we do that jointly, and we do a lot of collaboration and interworking together.
Why is openness then so crucial for the deployment and evolution of NFV and CSP networks?
Well, there's two aspects to openness, right? One is if you have open solutions, you're able to interoperate much more easily within the ecosystem. And then the second key reason for openness and the value add there is it's all about bringing the benefits of the larger global community that are contributing to the open environments. And so you get a much larger collaboration effect and contributions from a global community.
What benefits do VNFs bring to CSPs?
Well, that's a great question, Martin. So, in fact, this morning, one of our key service provider customers mentioned that VNFs are key to monetizing the services they're actually going to deploy using NFV and SDN. So, in that sense, VNF are kind of the most important part of the food chain, so to speak, in the context of NFV and SDN. And they're the ones that are actually utilized for the service providers to actually monetize these services.
Okay, so as far as Genband is concerned, what are your next steps in utilizing the partnership you have to provide communication service providers with pre-tested NFVs?
Yeah, so we're working within the HPE's OpenNFV ecosystem and Intel's network builders and others. And what we're doing is pre-integrating, pre-testing our VNFs in the context of HPE's other ecosystem solutions within NFV and SDN in the context of OpenNFV, and pretty much doing the pre-integration work that is required so that the service providers don't have to do that.
Given that, why is pre-validation so very important to CSPs?
Well, that's exactly, so that the service providers don't have to work through all of those. As it is, they have a great amount of work to do to bring the entire overall end-to-end solution together to be able to deploy and monetize these services quickly. So the last thing they need is them trying to put the different, so to speak, jigsaw puzzle together before they can actually go deploy these services. So the idea is that you do all of this in a pre-validated context so that they don't have to do this.
Final question to you then. How does Genband, along with HPE and Intel, help communication service providers with time to market, with interoperability, and with NFV deployments themselves?
Well, so what we do is, again, we do some great innovative things in terms of how we're bringing the ecosystem together, Genband providing the VNFs and HPE and Intel providing the underlying technologies and software in the context of a software-defined infrastructure to bring these innovations and capabilities to the service providers.